Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Death Stranding 2 on the beach not showing or not detected in the NVIDIA app on PC. First, make sure the game is not hidden in the list. If you have multiple games, click on the arrow or expand the list and check carefully if the game is already there. If it's not showing, the next step is to refresh the game list. Open the NVIDIA app, go to Graphics, click on the three dots, and select Refresh. You can try refreshing multiple times and then check again. If that does not work, add the game scan location manually. Click on the three dots, select Add Scan Location, then browse to the folder where the game is installed. Select the game folder and let the app scan it. After that, close the NVIDIA app completely and relaunch it. You may need to open and close the app multiple times. For some users, relaunching it several times helps the game appear. If the issue still persists, restart your computer. After restarting, open the NVIDIA app again and check. Next, perform a clean installation of your NVIDIA graphics driver. Go to the NVIDIA website, download the latest driver for your GPU, and run the installer. Choose Custom Installation and check. Perform a clean installation. Make sure NVIDIA app is included during installation. After installation, restart your PC. If the game is still not detected, you can add it manually. Open NVIDIA app, go to Graphics, choose Add Program, then browse to the game installation folder and select the game.exe file. After adding it, the game should appear in the list. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.